Hi viewers, welcome back CAD Designs YouTube channel. Now in this video, I will tell you how to use these multi-section solid and remove multi-section solid commands. And before starting this video, I will tell you one thing. If you want to more videos like this, do subscribe our channel and don't forget to activate bell icon. Now let's start our video. Now see, here we have two tools. One is multi-section solid and another one is remove multi-section solid. These purpose is, one is add material purpose, one is remove material. Actually this tool main purpose is create solid item by using three different closed sketches. See, here we have four sketches here. One is circle sketch, one is rectangle sketch, one is hexagon sketch, and next last one is again circle sketch. By using these four sketches, we created this solid item. Now I'll tell you how to do this work. When you enter into this tool, here we have, this tool is asking select your required sketches for create model, and next one select your requirement methods. Now I'll tell you ratio method and tangency method. See, I am deleting this total work. Select and next I don't want this set also. Delete this set. Okay. Now see here. Now first of all, if you want to enter into this tool, first of all create different profiles in different different planes. So create that sketches on different planes like this. See, I'm creating different planes. First of all, go to planes option and specify, select your requirement reference plane, and by using this offset method. Okay, now I want to 4 planes, so by default this one is I have already one plane here, and next here we have another plane is created. I want to 2 extra planes, so repeat after OK, select this after that and specify extra number of items. I want to 2 extra. Okay, so finally 4 planes is here. Now I want to create different sketches on these 4 planes. Now so go to sketch and create your requirement sketch on requirement plane. Now here we have, I am creating one circle profile on bottom plane. Okay, and next one, and create another profile on the second plane. And here we have, I'm creating one rectangle profile like this, and next one, sorry, this is not perfect. Okay, this is okay. Then next exit, and next create third sketch also. Go to sketch, required plane, and next create requirement profile. Now I'm creating hexagon item here. I want to sharp corner this side. I maintain like this. If I want to decrease like this, or increase or decrease. Okay, then next exit and create on fourth profile also. Now last fourth profile is a one of big circle here. Now see, here we have, finally I'm creating 4 sketches on 4 different planes. Actually this tool main purpose is create the solid body combination of these all. See, when you enter into this tool, first of all you select ratio method in coupling tab. Go to coupling tab and select ratio method. When you use ratio method, compulsory you will get the results. Okay, that's why I'm saying. Next select sections. Now here we have four different sections here, and select all sections in step-by-step format. Okay, select like this: first section, second section, and third section, and fourth section. After selecting, now here we have 2 conditions. One is always maintain closing points in one side. Okay, for example, this closing point is our side. If in case sometimes this closing point is located in this side, that is the opposite side, our side, and next back side, like that. Okay, so always you maintain all closing points in same sides. Okay, this one is inside, okay, our side, and this one is our side, and this closing point is also our side, this closing point also outside. Sometimes This closing points is placed in opposite side. For example, see, when you right click here, replace, sometimes this closing point is created here and here also. See, now this closing point is located in opposite side. If in case that closing point is located in opposite side, compulsory you will not get the results. So always maintain same sides. Okay, this one is the front side, this one is the front side, this one is the front side, but this is the back side. So just replace this one by using right click on that, and next place your requirement portion. Okay, this is the first condition. Always maintain these closing points in same sides. Okay, and next one, second condition is always you maintain these arrows in same directions. Now this one is the right direction, and this one also right direction, this one also right side, and this one also right side, all also right side. If in case sometimes this one is uh, showing, this one is showing left side, it is not possible to create, so use positive side. Okay, now here we have all closing points is located in same side, and next all closing directions is showing same side. Now it is perfect to create solid item. After see the preview, you will get results like this. Now here we have that solid item is created by using this combination of 4 sketches. One is circle sketch, one is rectangle, one is polygon, one is circle. Okay, that shape is created, but here we have that shape is created, but the shape is not exact. If in case you want to exact shape, use second method, that is a tangency method. See, I'll tell you how to use tangency method. Now this one is a ratio method. Here we have that shape is created, but that is not a exact shape. Okay, if in case you want to exact shape, use tangency method. See, if you want to create this solid body with tangency method, see, when you use this tangency method, compulsory you use couplings, you applied couplings compulsory. That is the main thing here. If you want to apply tangency method, go to tool and select tangency method in coupling. Okay, and first of all select all sections here, first section and second section and third section and fourth section, like this, and observe the closing points and directions. Closing points is all are in one side. Okay, and next these directions also same, they maintained exactly same directions. Okay, so it is better to create solid item. When you use ratio method, it is okay. Now I am using tangency method. If you want to use tangency method, compulsory you apply couplings. See how to apply couplings. Now here we have 4 sides, here we have 6 sides, sorry, here we have 6 sides, here we have 4 sides, and there is no sides in circles. But if you want to apply couplings, compulsory you maintain 4 sides on every profile. So you create required points on that sketches like this. See, I'm entering to this sketch. Now here we have, there is no any points here. I want to create 6 points here by using equal distance. Select this tool, equal distance points, select here, specify number of points. I want to 6 points. Okay, now this point is showing a horizontal side. Now it is better for this because this polygon have 6 sides, so that's why I'm maintaining this horizontal side 1 point. Okay, this is 1 point. See here we have only 4 points here. So now we need 2 extra points here and here. So create 2 extra points by using this points tool, or go to sketch. Here we have, I'm creating 1 point exactly in middle. I want to create exactly in middle, so that's why you maintain equal value, or like this. I'm maintaining 1 point here. And next I'm creating another point also here, exactly in center. Okay, now here we have 2 points is created, and finally here we have 4 sides, 6 sides. All sketches have 6 sides. Now it is possible to create solid body with tangency method. See, after create all points like this, now here we have all sketches have 6 sides. Now apply the tool. For tangency method, go to coupling and apply tangency method and select all profiles in step-by-step format. First sketch and second sketch, third sketch, fourth sketch. All sketches is selected, and next always follow all closing points in same side. Now all closing points in same side, no problem. And next direction also, all directions in the same side, all are showing right side, okay, no problem. And then next one, apply couplings. How to apply couplings? See, I'm applying like this. See, first directly select like this, first point, second point, third point, and fourth point. Now here we have first coupling is complete, and next one, second coupling, first point, second point, third point, and fourth point. This one is third point, this one fourth point. Now here we have second coupling also complete. Next, third coupling, first point, second point, third point, and fourth point. Now third coupling also complete. Next, fourth coupling, first point, second point, third point, fourth point. Okay, fourth coupling also complete. Next one, fifth coupling, first point, second point, third point, fourth point. And next one, finally sixth coupling, first point, second point, third point, and fourth point. Now here we have all couplings is completed. Now see the preview. Now you will get results like this. Now here we have, compared to previous one, this one is a exact model. Now here we have perfect profile. There is no any different curves, all curves also same here. Now this one is a tangency method. Okay, if in case you want to use tangency method, couplings is compulsory. And next one, when you use ratio method or tangency method, you always follow closing points in same side, and next always follow closing directions also same side. This is a multi-section solid tool, and same like this, and this one is a removed multi-section solid. Actually this one is add material, and this one is a removed material tool. By using this multi-section solid tool, I am creating solid item same like this. If you want to remove solid item like this, if you want to remove solid shape like this, use remove multi-section solid. It is this tool. If you want to more videos like this, do subscribe our channel, and next don't forget to activate bell icon. Thank you.